Hello everyone, Om Pranam. I'm Dr. Vimal Saxena and welcoming you all in my channel Yogic Wellness with Vimal, wherein we are trying to be healthy not only physically but mentally as well with the help of the principles of Ashtanga Yoga. In this series currently what we are trying to do, we are trying to focus more on reducing weight, making sure the strength of our core, our lower back, our hamstring muscles, our the varicose veins, the sciaticas, all these issues, how we can handle these problems, or how we can make sure that these problems should not happen to us. So in this series, in the previous video, we have done Ardha which is a kind of preparatory pose. Today's video, we are going to perform Pavan Muktasana, which is known as gas release pose as well. So this gas release pose, it's very beneficial pose because most of the diseases, they start from your stomach, from your digestive disorders. So Pavan Muktasana helps us to keep our digestive order at place, the way it should be. So let's talk about the benefits of it. So one is of course your digestive order at place. It's good for your internal organs. It's good for the blood circulation to your internal organs to make your internal organs healthy. It is pretty much beneficial if you are suffering from constipation and all and gastric issues. Of course, you need to take care of the food, which food to be taken. But at the same time, this asana, if you are doing, it will help you to get rid of the gastric issues in your stomach. At the same time, we must remember the contraindications. So those who should not do this Pavan Muktasana, of course, if you have got any stomach injury, any issue related to your, let's say, hernia, ulcer, these kind of diseases, if you have got acute lower back pain, you should not do it. If you have got spondylosis, you should not do this. Pregnant women should not do the Pavan Muktasana. Rest all people can do it. In the normal conditions, this is very beneficial asana for women. If they perform this, it can help them to improve their core, which can be pretty much beneficial for even the reproductive organs of women. So this is all about, not all about, but this is about Pavan Muktasana. Let's see how it should be performed. So to perform Pavan Muktasana, you need to be lying down on your back first. Remember, relax your entire body. Make sure you are in right position, not stressing any part of your body when you start performing this asana. Now keeping your legs together, your hands near to your body. Let's start performing Pavan Muktasana. Slowly breathe in and lift your leg up, up, up. Remember we did Ardha in the previous video. After this position, bend your knees, take your hands up, make a lock and push the knees towards your chest. This is the first position. Once this is done, slowly lift your neck. Try to make sure you can touch your nose to your knees. Now while doing this, make sure you're not overstretching your neck. That should not happen. It can slowly happen. Do not try to overstretch your neck in the beginning. Out, neck down, hands down, leg up, slowly, leg down. After this, you can perform 5 seconds of Shavasana, just relax your body. Remember the holding capacity. You can start with the small time, whatever it is, you can do it in the initial stage. If you are a beginner, maybe for 5 seconds is enough. slowly you can improve your holding capacity, holding timing. But in the beginning, do not try to hold it for a long time. You will not be able to, or you should not harm your body. That's the only logic behind it. So initially, try to do it, holding capacity. Remember, the key is continuity. You just need to do it with continuous efforts, but making sure as per your capacity. Yatha Shakti Nirantaram. Your capacity will be built over the period of time. You will not be able to hold for a longer time in initial stage. Right? So remember the continuity with the capacity. This is what was Pavan Muktasana, very much beneficial for stomach related issues, to making your core strength, to making your internal organs healthy, the blood circulation in your internal organs, which will help you to have a good digestive system, which can help you to improve your metabolism. This is all sequence. So this was Pavan Muktasana, gas release pose. Try performing this at home. You would feel the difference in your body. Now, the tip of the day. In the previous videos, we talk about that if you really want to reduce your weight, you should not stop eating. You will have to eat. If you really want to improve your metabolism, which is highly responsible for having a good digestive system, good strength in your body, you should keep eating. It's just that you need to change your food. So what should be included in the food? We discussed in the previous video, you should include protein, you should include fiber, depending on your dieting habits, and try to reduce more amount of fat. So one key in this I can share as a tip of the day: any food which you are eating, if it has got a less shelf life, which means it is in its natural form, it will be beneficial to your body. But any food which has got a long shelf life, which is not its nature, then it may not be that good for your body. Now you all are wise enough to find out such foods. See the food which has got less shelf life, which means it is in natural form. One who is taking birth is gonna die, something like this. So if you are going to consume such kind of food, it may be fruits, it may be vegetables, or whatever it is, it will definitely be beneficial to your body. But anything which has got a less, no, which has got a long shelf life, may not be that much beneficial, especially junk food and all. It has got a huge shelf life, and it stays a lot of time in your stomach, which creates disturbance in digestive order. So that's it from today. Some change in habits, some exercise, a small step, a baby step towards the healthy life, towards the mental wellness. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, like and subscribe. I'll come up with few more such videos to discuss further about the health issues, the mental wellness, and further. Thank you. Om Pranam.